Good morning students. Today we are going to continue with exercise 14.2. So I am solving fifth sum by assume mean or shortcut method. So yesterday you had done direct method to calculate the mean. So today we will do two methods. One is assume mean, other is step deviation method. Assume mean has another name, shortcut method. These are so as usual you will label it as Fi, class mark, Xi. So first you have to make this class interval continuous. Dot lower limit में से 0.5 माइनस कर दो, अपर लिमिट में 0.5 ऐड कर दो. लोअर में से 0.5 माइनस, अपर में 0.5 ऐड. 55.5 to 58.5, 58.5 to 61.5, 61.5 to 64.5. So class mark will be, now you add both of them, 102 over this 51, 52.5 and 55.5, it will be 108 divided by 2, 54. So this is gap is same, so 57, 60 and 63 will come. So your first step is, if the class interval is not, if class interval is of inclusive type, inclusive में हो जाता है, include हो जाता है 50 to 50. So first of all you have to change it into exclusive class interval. For that you have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So this is how we make the class interval continuous. So this is class interval. 52.5 to 55.5, 55.5 to 58.5, like this. Then you have to calculate class mark as we had done yesterday. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, you will get 51. So 52.5 plus 55.5, 108 divided by 2, 54. This is how we calculated class marks. Then here we are having new term deviation. Deviation is xi minus a. A is nothing but assumed mean. A is nothing but assumed mean. तो assumed mean कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? क्लास मार्क के अंदर करना है. सो आप काउंट कर लो 1 2 3 1 2 3. जो मिडिल टर्म होगी that will be taken as assumed mean. So middle term will be taken as assumed mean. Sometime it happens, so count किया 1 2 3 1 2 3, तो बीच वाली टर्म आ गई assume mean. Sometime it happens कि ऊपर से काउंट करो 1 2 3, नीचे से करो 1 2 3, तो फिर आप दोनों में से कोई भी assume कर सकते हो, ठीक है. अदरवाइज यू टेक मिडल मोस्ट वैल्यू एज द assume mean. ऊपर से काउंट किया, नीचे से काउंट किया, अगर जो मिडल में वैल्यू आ गई तो ठीक है. अगर ऊपर और नीचे से काउंट करने पे अगर दो वैल्यूज आ जाएं, यू कैन assume any one of them as assume mean. Now you substitute this value here. 50 a here is 57. So you substitute the value xi here. 51 minus 57 will be minus 6. 54 minus 57, it will be minus 3. 57 minus 57, 0. 60 minus 57, 3. 63 minus 57, 6. Now you multiply fi with di. Minus 6 into 15, minus 90. Minus 3 into 110, minus 330. 0 into 135, 0. 115 into 3, 345. 6 into 25, 150. So now you add negative terms को add कर दो, positive को add कर दो. Then you subtract them, ultimately answer is 75. So I am again repeating the steps we have done so far. So first we make this class interval continuous, changing it into inclusive to exclusive class interval. For that we subtracted 0.5 from the lower limit, then add 0.5 to the upper limit. So this is how we have done here. Then frequency we suppose xi, fi, class mark, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, it will get 51 here. 53 108 over 254, since gap is same, so you keep the gap same, ultimately 63, you can check 61.4 and 64.5. This is 126 over 2, 30, 63. Then you have to assume कैसे करना है, 1 2 3 1 2 3, जो बीच वाली वैल्यू है that is assumed. तो that is why this method is known as assumed mean or shortcut method. So अगर मान लो काउंट करते वक्त ऐसे आए 1 2 3 1 2 3, कॉमन वैल्यू नहीं आती तो फिर आप जो दो वैल्यूज हैं उनमें किसी को भी एज्यूम कर लो. That we have written here, formula is deviation xi minus a. A is assuming. So you substitute the value here, 51 minus 57 minus 6. 54 minus 57 minus 3. 57 minus 57 0. 60 minus 57 3. 63 minus 57 6. Then you multiply. 15 into minus 6 minus 19. 110 into minus 3 minus 330. 135 into 0 0. 115 into 3 345. 25 into 6 150. So here you get minus 420. Here you get 495. So when you subtract you will get 75. So we have the formula with which you can calculate the mean. So that is A plus summation Fi di over summation Fi. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 terms are there, so we will write I1 to 5. So assume mean here is 57. Fi di here is 75 over Fi here is 400. 5 15s are 5 80s are 5 3s are 5 16s are 16 1s are 16 14 16 8s are 128 16 7s are. So ultimate answer is 57.19. 187 आया, approximately 57.19. This is the answer. Approx. So ultimately we apply the formula x bar a plus sigma Fi di over sigma Fi. Assume mean was this 57 plus Fi di 75, and then 400 we divided on dividing 0.187. So you added 57.187, approximately 57.19. So this is how you have to do sum number 4th and sum number 6th with this method, that is assumed mean or shortcut method. Thank you.